Hey everybody, welcome to today's vlog. I'm here at Cayuga again. This is going to be my final time here in Toronto. Anyways, it's basically a cross the border battle car event. And I'm here with Alan again. He's setting up his DJ booth. So of course he called me up. He needs help. Yeah. So this is basically one of my last stops for this event this year until I move out west. Yeah, I'm moving out west, everybody. But in this vlog, I'm already out west. Anyways, across the border. This is another event from people from America, good old US of A. And yeah, so I'm going to check out some cars. Weather is pretty much rainy right now, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully the car gods are going to give us nice and sunny weather. Anywho, yeah, so we'll see who's going to come and see how this goes. Anyways, this is a long entry to my vlog. Yeah, so anyways, like and subscribe, turn on the notification if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, we'll start going. Hey folks, Bean here. Just basically, well, it's been raining all afternoon. Alan already is setting up. You can see him in the background. He's already DJing. He's doing his thing. I'm just waiting until the rain dies off a little bit. That way I can do a walk. I did a little bit of walk, but I don't want to wreck the camera and my investment. So yeah, so I'm just waiting until it dies off, and yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do. Alright, so bear with me. If it gets better, I'll get more content. If not, I'll try to get content. Alright.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. Man. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
What's going on?
We haven't seen you in time.
I've been around.
I know.
Jeez.
You been good?
Oh yeah, how about you?
I'm so.
I know, same here, man. This is crazy. It's been raining all day. All day. All day. Oh man. Yo! Counting cash. Look at this, man. Look at this. Good man, how are you guys? Yeah. Same here. I gotta get content out of this. Yeah. Oh shit. Sorry.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy.
I'm gonna walk around really quick. Get a footage out of this. Nice to see you guys. It's always nice to see you.
Yeah. You want one?
I'll see you.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh yeah, I'll be back. I just want to get a couple footages. I heard Alberta. Saskatchewan. I'm going back. I'm going back. Yeah? Grab it, man. It's so good, man.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
So, where are you from?
I can't see the end, but we'll see
I'm
it
north
through.
of Edmonton. I'm in
Oh,
the
okay.
Prairie area.
I don't know what that is. No. I'm moving back to Saskatchewan to organize a couple of events there. I do content creator here throughout Ontario. So I've been back and forth in Saskatchewan too. I know all the guys in Saskatchewan too. Yeah. So we're going to organize events like this too. But it's kind of hard though too. Small town, everything's so far away.
Yeah.
But I'm heading to.
Don't fly too high.
It's like hard. Alberta, it's all rough.
Be sure
Yeah.
to keep the ground in sight.
But I'm going to go to the Tuner Bash.
Fly forever if you keep
There's
it
events
tight.
like in Calgary, Edmonton,
Love the world, but keep the sky on your
and
mind.
then Tuner Spirit coming up. Yeah, I'm going to head down there too. I gotta check the West Coast side of Canada. So I hope we run into each other again, man. Yeah? My car's gonna be in there. Celica. Yeah. Mid-2000, like early 2000s style. So you rarely see that. Yeah. All right, man. Nice meeting you. It was awkward. All right. Yep. 2000. Not here. Like, just coming here personally, hanging out with Alan, Ludeboy. Yeah? Oh, those style. Yes. Those are hard to find. Yeah. There's one engine here, I just saw it. 3SGE Beams engine. Those are rare. Selling it for 900. I was like, I want to pick it up just for that engine. Yeah, but that Beams only limited like
I need a
think
change in my life because I don't feel
5,000?
alive and there's nothing that makes me happy.
5,000?
Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to
Well, no,
put my
1,000,
cash in
'cause it's
for a ticket.
only
I'm
on the,
going on a trip and I don't plan to
selected
visit. I'm
MR2.
gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big
Okay,
change, help me
anyways.
feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
That's what got my daddy locked up in the dog pound. Switch that on up, let all of my dogs out. We gon' pull up in that hoodie like we cops on them. With them 16s, we gon' put them on them.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too
Carlos's new microphone.
Your choice, who's the winner, alright?
Hey! Hey! Woo! One more! 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 Jeez!
You guys swap the tires like I said. I was like, you're putting me on the spot here.
Yeah. Well, so, how did it feel out there?
Great. All I can say is do it for Dale.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video today, tonight, whatever. Yeah, Alan's still DJing in the back. I'm not even looking at the camera. anyways, Alan's still DJing. I'm proud of him. Now he's getting offers of more gigs now, so it's good for him. Getting another side job and getting out there, well known. He's making me come back. We'll see how it goes. You never know. I like being here in Toronto, checking out these events, because I'm getting to know everyone in the car community, and then I even met a couple content creators as well. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. They're doing the two-step. I don't want it. Two-step is two-step. Anyway, so like and subscribe, turn on notification if you haven't done so. If you guys like this content, let me know. Put an email down below. I will email me down below, or my email address is down below. Anyways, this is Bean signing off. Toronto, Cayuga. Man, I'm gonna miss this place. Anyways, always stay fly. This is your favorite Kuya. I'll see you next one. Peace. Ooh, that light is bright.